Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. So, this video, let's take a quick look at the Xiaomi Mi Band 9 Pro. I also compare with the Mi Band 8 Pro. By the way, this video is sponsored by Geekbuying. There are crazy promotions and you can get a lot of cool products and crazy deals. Please make sure to check out, link is in the description. Now, let's get started. Alright, so unboxing the Xiaomi Mi Band 9 Pro. With the back, we have some highlights. 1.74-inch AMOLED, the same pixels for all size. SpO2, heart rate, and the sleeping monitor, high quality middle frame. 150 plus sports mode, 3D pre-warm instruction, GNSS tracking, and the compass, super long battery life, especially the linear motor. This is a huge upgrade compared to the 8 Pro, which I will show you, so stay tuned for that. Multifunction, NFC, and that voice assistant. Okay, that's basically the highlights. Ooh, okay, they're already unboxed. So I'll just show you really quick. Okay, so open it, you have the strap, your magnetic charging cable, and if you're wondering about like whether it's compatible for the Mi Band 8 Pro, here you go. The charging cable is compatible. Alright, when you turn on the Mi Band 9 Pro, here it lets you choose different languages. So currently let's choose English. Okay, and you have to connect with the Mi Fitness. Okay, but if you're using a Xiaomi phone, it will have this pop-up window and you just connect it. Okay, here you go. So let me give you a quick walkthrough of the app. So the health, it has an overview of your sports, your calories burned, steps, standing, dress up, blood pressure, workouts, and several things about it. Also has some tutorials for you, and the device here you can like do system. You can set system widgets, notification, of course, fitness, blah 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 blah, more. Okay, and profile, and here app settings. Okay, everything here is basically the same as before, so I'm not gonna really want to talk too much about it. First, let's just take a quick look at the design. So first thing, as you can see, is this middle frame. So it looks like really wow, premium, I would say. Just very comfortable to feel, to touch. And if you want to compare to the last generation, obviously the plastic, right here, the quick release port for the strap. Okay, at the back, the charging contacts, quick release button, the sensor, things, and this should be the mic. All right, and that's it. Okay, let me wear a little bit for you. That's how you wear it. It's tight and comfortable, to be honest. But anyway, let me just go over the gesture controls for you really quick, and then we compare it with the Mi Band 9, Mi Band 8 Pro. Okay, this is the home interface, and you press and hold it. You can change to different, watch faces. You see, they have this animation one. Check this little dog, just doing push-ups. Oh. Alright, anyway, like this one. Okay, anyway, not swipe down, you see the notification. Swipe up, you just see all the apps in this watch, like this. Okay, the overview, sports mode, and it has more than 150 modes. Outdoor running. Okay, update your location. Okay, I don't want to go walking, freestyle, hiking, outdoor hiking, treadmill, jump rope, pull. Ooh, so it has this even the summarize, they put something similar, and there are same like water items, the open water selling, blah 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 blah. Okay, I'm not gonna show you one by one unless you want to stay here all day. This is the heart rate. I will show you the SpO2 a little bit later. So 96%, that's perfectly okay. And we can go to the settings. Here you can see the band displays. Okay, band displays, the notifications, wake screen, blah 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 here, and vibration, and display here, and auto lock. Now you can have like as long as 5 minutes, 5 minutes. That's the settings. Or the camera, you can even control your camera, all right, and then use it as a remote control or something. Here is the torch, okay, like this is the SOS mode torch. And that's basically the app. And swipe up, right, and then swipe left. You can see the sports mode, and this called BPM, SPO2, music. Add the cards. You can customize all of these in the settings and know what it's about. Okay, and that's it. I feel like it's very smooth. Or if you just swipe right, you just get to see all these shortcuts like DND mode and this clock. Okay, arms and torch. Blah 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 blah. Everything is here. Okay, and that's basically the just controls. It's like all the other Mi Band. And now, let's compare the Mi Band 8 Pro with the Mi Band 9 Pro. Don't get it wrong, this is the 8 Pro. This is the 9 Pro, okay? As you can see, it's getting smaller, but my first impression is like for the Mi Band 9 Pro, it's a little bit heavier. It's like 2 or 3 grams heavier than the 8 Pro because of the middle frame, everything, and to the back, okay, almost the same design, and this side, this. Okay, basically just getting smaller. And also, let me just show you the screen. The 9 Pro looks more comfortable. 4 sides, the bezels, okay, the same. Alright, one of the biggest upgrade for the Mi Band 9 Pro is the linear motor. I can see like definitely the Mi Band 9 Pro feels stronger and more comfortable. And also there is a upgrade like for the Mi Band 9 Pro. Even with the wet hand, you can without accidental touch. You can always choose the one you want, even with your wet hand. Yeah, really accurate. So another upgrade for the Mi Band 9 Pro is the add a little bit more. The battery capacity is now 350 milliamp, and for the Mi Band 8 Pro is 289 milliamp. So yes, you got even more battery life. Alright, that is a really simple and quick hands-on of the Mi Band 9 Pro. So compared to the Mi 8 Pro, there are 2 major upgrades. One is the design. So for the Mi Band 9 Pro, it has adopted this new matte finish aluminum alloy middle frame, which is great, and that 2.5D curved glass. And the second is on the screen, as you see on my previous footage. And yeah, do you think you should upgrade to the Mi Band 9 Pro? Please leave your comment below. And if you're interested in getting this Mi Band 9 Pro as fast as possible, please check out the link from my friend's website, His Top, in the description. And thanks for watching. Sami will see you in the next one. Bye bye.